If you're about to set sail on the Celebrity Eclipse, then I have 14 tips that will help you with your planning, and I'm going to share some things I wish I knew before I boarded the Eclipse so that you can have a great experience too. Number 1. If this is your first celebrity cruise, join their loyalty program, the Captain's Club. As part of the Royal Caribbean group, you will qualify for their status match program if you have sailed previously with Royal Caribbean or Silver Seas. If you haven't sailed with either of those lines, you can still earn points on land before you set sail. Celebrity has offers like Power Up Points, which are opportunities you are emailed that will give you points towards your account. You will be asked to take a survey or watch a webinar. For every 10 Power Up Points you get, it will convert to 1 Captain Club point. You only need 2 club points to reach its first tier of Classic. When you reach that tier before sailing, you can take advantage of some onboard perks like a free scoop of gelato. After your first sailing, you can enjoy a free category upgrade where and when available up until Aqua Class. Number 2. The Eclipse is one of 3 celebrity ships that have Hollywood Hot Glass classes where you can purchase the ability to make your own blown glass souvenir. The other 2 ships are on the Equinox and Solstice. This was a wonderful experience, and if you are interested in making your own unique piece, I advise you to purchase a pre-cruise for best pricing. Located on the lawn of Deck 15, you will head over there on embarkation day, right before sail away, to then reserve your slot time. Number 3. Throughout the year, Celebrity has pre-cruise sales in their cruise planner. You will find their biggest sales during Black Friday. One of the items I found beneficial to pre-purchase was the Deal or No Deal game cards. I bought a set of 3 for $25 when they were selling them on board for $40. If you pre-purchase your game cards, go to the designated area to where they say to buy the cards. They will have a pre-purchase line. Just show the SeaPass card of the person who made the purchase and you are all set. Number 4. You will also find special first day sales for specialty dining in certain venues for the first day on board. Sushi on 5 will have specials for lunch on embarkation day, which is a great spot to get away from the crowds. You may also find specials for specialty dining on the first night at Tuscan Grill and Murano. If you are celebrating a special event like a birthday, anniversary, graduation, or even retirement, be sure to mention it on your reservation or to your waiter. At dinner, you will receive a special delicious slice of cake as the waiters serenade you with best wishes. Number 6. At the time of this recording, the Celebrity Eclipse did not get its revolutionized upgrade, which makes the retreat section a bit different than the other ships across the line. For one, you do not have a special keycard access to get into the exclusive section like on their other ships. On Eclipse, you do have your own restaurant, Lumine, which you will find on Deck 3, and the retreat lounge is in Michael's Lounge, which you will find on Deck 5. There is also no exclusive sun deck for retreat guests. Number 7. Another drawback of Eclipse not being revolutionized is you will find a lack of outlets in the cabins. In the verandas, you will find 2 US plugs and 1 Euro plug on the desk. I brought a European converter to take advantage of that third, otherwise useless plug. But something to note, the hairdryer given in the cabin was for the European plug. And speaking of cabin features, ladies, I want to share, I did find the lighting to be quite poor when getting ready for dinner, and they do not have a magnified mirror. So on my next cruise, I'll be sure to pack a portable magnified mirror. Pickleball has grown in popularity, and Celebrity has brought pickleball across their fleet. On the Eclipse, you will find the court during its designated hours located on the basketball court on Deck 15 forward. But to rent paddles, you will need to go to the shore excursion desk first on Deck 3. There they will take down your cabin number when you take the equipment out. You are allowed to take 4 paddles out at a time. Number 9. Now when it is finally time to leave for your cruise and you have embarked on the ship, With Celebrity, you can go straight to your cabin to drop off your carry-on luggage and also pick up your SeaPass cards in front of your stateroom. You will find that your cabin will not be ready to settle in yet, but it is nice to be able to put your stuff down before you venture out to eat and check out the ship. Cabins are usually ready around 1 p.m. Number 10. When it is time for sail away, there are of course many places you can go to watch the ship sail away from the port. One place you can go to is not well known on the first day, but is a great spot. Head to deck 12 forward. Right past the fitness centers are doors to an open deck. From there you will see great views of the ship pulling away. Number 11. If you are sailing under the concierge class, a benefit of your class is to have your own dedicated concierge to assist you. That concierge is located on Deck 7 in Team Earth, right by the aft elevators. Number 12. Cafe El Bacio is a great place to get your specialty coffees and teas for an added cost or included in one of your drink packages. You will also find desserts in the cafe complimentary. For breakfast, if you prefer to skip the buffet lines and just get a quick muffin, Danish, or roll with your morning coffee, El Bacio is the perfect spot. Number 13. Another great spot to grab some food and avoid the lines is the Spa Cafe. The Spa Cafe is located in the solarium in Deck 12. You will find health-conscious food choices for both breakfast and lunch. These foods are complimentary. For an extra charge, they also have smoothies. If you have the premium drink package or the non-proof drink package, these drinks are included. You are allowed to order 2 at a time. I looked forward to having my refuel and antioxidants each day. Number 14. With more and more reliance on mobile phones and apps, Celebrity uses their app to notify you when it is your turn to disembark. This was quite useful on my sailing when we arrived late to our home port and we received regular notifications as to when our new disembarking time became and when they were ready for us to disembark. I hope you found these tips useful for your next sailing on Celebrity Eclipse. Let me know some of your great tips in the comments. Be sure to subscribe for more tips too. Happy cruising!